I got it, and then it went out.
My ears are actually destroyed. Brianna, say hi. Brianna, say hi. I don't think people can see you. What is this? Okay. People can't see anything. This is too dark.
Over there. By the sidewalk.
Well, I'm trying to record the fireworks.
You want to light this with your thing? Come on, down. Hurry.
Come on. Oh, that's sad. Oh my god! There was a bug. I hate bugs. On my hair. I need more fireworks.
You're going to light it with this.
I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a firework in this blackness. Too loud. Way too loud. Yes. What?
In front of it.
I can't see it. There's no light.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America. Oh, wow. That's large.
Kenna.
America. Yeah. Brianna, can we see you? We can't see you.
Sorry, I'm right.
Wait, she's lighting something. Hopefully we can see it. We can see it through here. Can you see it? This is nothing. Oh.
You were saying?
This is nothing. People are on top of their roofs. Freaking look. Oh wait, you can't see them. We can't see you, Brianna. This is sad. I'm gonna end it here. Wait, no, I'm not.